ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 21st day of October. We'll squeeze out one more nice day today. And really, tomorrow, not that bad, but the weather will turn very wet before the week is over. Let's take a look at some of the shots around the network this morning. First off from Birmingham. That's the sky cam on top of the Daniel building, looking south, back over toward Red Mountain. Clear with readings mostly in the 40s this morning. How about a look at the campus of Auburn University? That's our sky cam down in Lee County. Again, sky clear there. And way down south, the battleship USS Alabama, up there at the northern tip of Mobile Bay. Well, you can see all the players on the field lining up for a good rain here at the end of the week. Strong trough digging down across the southwest, and Tropical Storm Rick. And that moisture will be interacting with that trough, and again, that's often a pretty good rain producer. We're figuring we'll get 1 to 2 inches of rain late tomorrow night and Friday. Temperatures this morning are pretty cool. Birmingham at 45. The cool spot on the board, Gadsden at 39, but we'll zoom up into the mid-70s today. Here's our watch warning map. A flash flood watch for parts of North Texas, all the way from Sherman-Denison to down to Dallas-Fort Worth and Waco. And winter storm advisories out there for parts of Colorado and northwestern Kansas, from Denver back over to Goodland. And rain for the next 5 days. I think we'll see more than that. This is suggesting amounts of about 3/4 of an inch. Again, we figure 1 to 2 inches with the tropical connection, and a pretty good swath of rain all the way from the western Gulf Coast up to the Great Lakes. This is valid through Sunday evening. And we'll go through modeling in a moment. There's a look at Rick. It'll be inland this morning on the coast of Mexico, and of course it'll dissipate. But again, that moisture is headed up this way. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. This is at 500 millibars. There's your trough in the southwest. Rick coming up from below, and again, there's a surface chart, and it looks like a pretty wet day off to the west. But again, we'll be in great shape. Sunny with mid-70s today. Tomorrow, rain will be falling in Little Rock and the Mississippi Delta. We think the day will be mostly dry, but clouds should be increasing, and rain and storms will likely arrive tomorrow night. Initially in West Alabama, then moving on into the eastern part of the state by midnight or so. Be a close call for those high school football games tomorrow night. From Birmingham on east, a chance they'll be dry. West Alabama, pretty good chance they'll be wet. And Friday, everybody's wet. Surface low is up there just below Chicago. Instability values are marginal for any severe weather. There's no formal risk in any of the SPC outlooks. And again, we just figure the rain will be heavy at times. Thunder and lightning, sure, we could see that. And the rain will likely extend into Friday night. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, there's your trough aloft, not quite as deep on this run. And down below that, it's just a question of how long will those clouds linger. We often know with a system like that, we'll generally see clouds for a day, so we'll still maintain a cloudy forecast. Breezy, cooler, but nothing like last Saturday, if this is right. Temperatures will stay mostly in the 50s. And if we do clear, if the sun breaks out Saturday afternoon, we should reach the low 60s. And then Sunday, everybody should be in sunshine with temperatures in the upper 60s. That should be a pretty nice day. Now, next week is somewhat problematic. We got Monday, you see that upper trough still west of us. We got a southwest flow aloft. And often when you see that, you'd think it's going to rain, but the moisture is very limited. This is suggesting we will be dry Monday, but at some point we might have to stick in some risk of a shower. For now, we'll leave it dry. We'll call it partly sunny. Tuesday, that trough is on to the east, and any showers should be east of here. And again, that day should be dry. Wednesday of next week, boy, look at the cold air flooding down over the northern and western states. Very strong cold front west of here, and that's suggesting there might be enough moisture for a shower Wednesday. And Thursday, look at that trough. This is a typical El Nino deal. Very energetic waves coming through, and That one inevitably will set the stage for a pretty good rain event. There's the surface chart on Thursday. And again, look at the cold air coming down the pike. Wow. That would be a day with a good chance of showers and maybe some thunder. That suggests snow for Oklahoma City and Chicago and St. Louis, and maybe a good snow there. And then on Friday, the 30th of October, snow flurries, anybody for Huntsville? Boy, that's cold. If that's right, that would be a very cold day. We would have a hard time getting out of the low 40s with a strong north wind. And then Saturday, the 31st, this is Halloween Day. Again, we're going to go through this weekend because a lot of things are happening. If this is right, it would be cool and dry. And Sunday, the 1st of November, would be dry and warmer. And that's the race day at Talladega, so just trying to let you see that. And again, we caution you, this is voodoo country, and this could change. Anything beyond 7 days, there's not a whole lot of skill out there, but at least the consistency has been good. End of the forecast, 7th of November. Polar jet a little north of us at this point, if this is right, and that looks pretty benign at the moment. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Each day, there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.